Hello, line dancers. All right, we are going to be learning Crank It Up. Oh, I really like this one, like all the other ones. So let's get started. I'm going to do the complete dance. Then we're going to break it down a little bit. Then we are going to add the counts and then some music so you can have some fun. So here comes the dance. You're going to start with a rock, recover, coaster. Again, rock, recover, coaster with the left. You're going to rock, half turn through your right, shuffle forward, rock forward, recover, coaster, grapevine to the right with a stump, grapevine to the left with two stumps. Then you're going to do a kick, point forward, point side, and a sail your back with the left, point, point, sail your back. There's your dance. All right. So here we go again. We're going to start nice and sweet. So you're going to rock your right foot forward, recover on left. Your coaster is going to be a back, back, forward. That's what your coaster is. Same thing with the left. Rock left, recover on right, coaster back, 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 forward. With the right, now you're going to rock forward, you recover, kick that right halfway. When you step on it, you do a shuffle, so two rights forward, balance, rock forward left, recover, another coaster, back, back, forward, grapevine to the right, with a stump or a touch, grapevine to the left, with touch or two stumps, and your point now, point, point, so forward side, 1, 2, 3, and again, point, point, cellular, 1, 2, 3. And then you start the dance all over again. So let's do it with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right. So now let me tell you a little bit about modifications. We have some modifications we like to do. So especially on the first part. So when you do that rock recover, we like to do a little twist with your feet. So you're going to do the ball of your feet. So you're going to step and twist. So it's that step forward with the right, or sorry, yes, with the right. Now you're on the ball of your feet, both right and left, as you bring your heels to the side and bring them back. So that's 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Touch and twist, 7 and 8. You can do that, of course, if you want to. The next modification, when you're doing your grapevine, I'm going to turn so you can see it. You're going to go into a grapevine to the right, which you can spin. That's, of course, a modification, as you can go 1, 2, 3, stump. You can do the spin to the left or basic, as you want to do now 2 stumps or 2 claps, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, how does that sound? So now, there are restarts on this dance. So you have to be very careful. It's going to be noted on the dance when the restarts start. That happens. You'll be able to follow those. Now, there is a tag that is going to be at 6 o'clock, which means you start here, but when you're facing the other way, the tag is a rocking chair. So the tag is going to go into, you're going to rock forward and back as you're facing that way. And then you start the dance all over again. Yay? Okay, I know you're going to make it happen. So have fun.